Yeah. Yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah. Yeah. Night falls like paper. I fold back the shame. Small rights in the dark. Name them, call them, claim. A toothbrush like a sermon. A window like a song. I'm stacking tiny moments, learning how to keep calm. Yeah. No thunder, no miracle, just a steady flame. One breath, one step, repeat until it's changed. Oh, oh. Drip by drip, we build the ocean out of rain. Small daily improvements, quiet work, loud gain. What you do every day matters more than one wild try. Slow the world, move in whispers. Watch the mountain rise. Coffee in the morning, push-ups in the noon. Notes left on the mirror, a stubborn afternoon. These crumbs turn to constellations when the years go by. A slow insistence carving constellations in the sky. Not for the applause, not for a sudden crown, for the little victories that keep you from falling down. Drip by drip, we build the ocean out of rain. Small daily improvements, quiet work, loud gain. What you do every day matters more than one wild try. Slow the world, move in whispers. Watch the mountain rise. Don't wait for lightning, be the patient light. One foot, then another through the softest night. Habit is a hymn, repetition is the choir. Spark the tiny engines until they catch on fire. Fold the habit into muscle, fold the promise into skin. The future is a mosaic of the smallest things we've been. Drip by drip, we build the ocean out of rain. Small daily improvements, quiet work, loud game. What you do every day matters more than one wild try. Keep the steady heartbeat, watch the kingdom rise. One small move, then another. The quiet gospel sings. You are made of small tomorrows and the light that daily brings.
Listen, these are the bones of me. Built slow, built honest. Used to think the trophy framed the man. Thought the finish line wrote the plan. But I learned the truth in sleepless rooms, and quiet wars and midnight booms. When the light left, I kept my feet. Found steady in the echo of defeat. Bruised hands taught me how to hold. Cold nights showed me how to fold and grow. Every scar is a lesson spelled in skin. Every loss a place to start again. You don't find steel in the victor's grin. You find it where the struggle begins. Strength don't come from winning, it's born in the fall. When you stand up from the wreckage, answer your own call. Your struggle is a hammer, your heart is the anvil saw. True strength is not surrender, it's rising after all. Yeah, they clap for crowns, they praise the shine, but they don't see the nights that made the spine. I kept breathing through the shaking ground. Learned how to listen when the world made no sound. That a doubt, ran the fear, paid in time, paid in tears. But each step forward carved a map in my years. When the storm screamed louder than my name, I learned to dance inside the flame. Not every win writes history's page. Sometimes strength writes itself in rage. Strength don't come from winning, no, it's born in the fall. When you stand up from the wreckage, answer your own call. Your struggle is the hammer, your heart is the anvil saw. True strength is not surrender, It's rising after all. I bent, but I didn't break. I bled, but I rose. Counted every failure like a seed I chose. When the night tried to steal me, I kept the light, kept the fight, kept the faith, kept the right to rise. You want proof? Look at the hands that keep working. Look at the eyes that keep searching. Strength is a habit, learned on knees, built on days. You say, I will. Strength don't come from winning. Born in the fall. When you stand up from the wreckage, answer your own call. Your struggle is the hammer, your heart is the anvil saw. True strength is not surrender, it's rising after all. So when the world says you're finished, remember this small truth. You were forged in the fall. Your scars are proof.
Yeah. Let's go. Neon gutters, teeth like city lights. You get a taste of midnight, learn the math of fights. Bruises bloom like badges on your sleeve. Every misstep's a lesson you can't unbelieve. You think the world's a judge, ready with a gavel. Truth is it's a gym and trouble's just a gravel. So count the cracks, count the scars like rings on an old oak tree. Then at the end, they're the way you learned how to breathe. It's not the blow that tells the story, it's how you stand again. Stack the hits like stamps, build the courage in your skin. Adversity's the training ground, we're learning to be brave. Get hit, get up, get going, turn the pain into the way. Cold streets, teach your cadence, keep your feet in time. Every knock's a whisper, kid, adjust your line. You swallow smoke and sunlight, mix them in your mouth. Make a better map from the places you got knocked out. They'll measure you by failures, call them how you fell. I call them practice rounds for a life that learns to swell. So tie your belt, patch the hole, count the minutes like a drum. Every bruise a compass pointing to where you come from. It's not the blow that tells the story,